In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Teams to Outlook, a simple yet crucial step to streamline your communication workflows. Let's dive into this process, ensuring you can efficiently integrate these two powerful Microsoft tools. First, let's begin by navigating to your Outlook email. Ensure that you are logged into your Outlook account through your preferred web browser. Once you're in, you're all set to proceed with connecting Microsoft Teams to your Outlook account. Next, on the Outlook interface, direct your attention to the left panel, where you will find a variety of options laid out for you. Here, you'll want to click on More Apps. This option is crucial because it will allow you to access various Microsoft services, including Microsoft Teams. As a tip, if you're having trouble locating the More Apps section, it's usually represented by a small grid icon and is designed to neatly house additional options and add-ons. After selecting More Apps, you'll be prompted with a search bar. Type in Teams into the search bar. This will filter your options and bring Microsoft Teams into view, allowing for a faster, more precise selection. After typing Teams, Teams, go ahead and select it from the list provided. This action will initiate the process of adding Teams to your Outlook client, making it seamlessly accessible for future use. Additionally, there is another method you can employ if you prefer tapping into resources from a slightly different location. You can click on the App Center, which is located at the top left panel. The App Center serves as a centralized hub for various applications you might want to use in conjunction with Outlook. Here, you'll also find Microsoft Teams listed among other available applications. Finally, once you've navigated via either path and found Microsoft Teams, simply click on it to start using it directly within Outlook. With this step completed, you have effectively integrated Microsoft Teams into Outlook, facilitating easier and more accessible communication and collaboration. And there you have it. Seamlessly linking Microsoft Teams with your Outlook account empowers you with the flexibility to switch between emailing and collaborating in chat or video format effortlessly. It's a great way to consolidate your work tools in a coherent manner, boosting productivity and making it simpler to stay on top of your tasks. So, to summarize, gaining access to Teams through Outlook is about making sure all your collaborative tools are just a click away, enhancing both efficiency and productivity. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of these tools. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and happy collaborating.